For people who are enthusiastic about fish keeping and entrepreneurship, starting an aquarium fish company may be an interesting endeavor. Here are some actions to get you going. Planning and research. Examine the market demand, rivalry, and developments in the aquarium fish sector. Decide on your specialty, whether it is rare species breeding, supply sales, service provision, or a mix of these. Create a thorough business plan that details your objectives, target market, goods or services, pricing policies, advertising strategy, and projected financials. To operate lawfully in your community, register your business and get any licenses, permits, or certificates that are required. Learn about local, state, and federal laws pertaining to the distribution and sale of aquarium fish, as well as requirements for animal welfare. Organize your space. Establish the amount of space and amenities your company will require, such as breeding tanks, retail space, storage spaces, and office space. Make an investment in high-quality materials and equipment, including heaters, filtration systems, tanks, lighting, and breeding supplies. Build trusting connections with reliable vendors or aquarists to obtain top-notch fish, supplies, and gear. Make sure you follow the right protocols for acclimation and quarantine to protect the well-being of your fish population. Assemble your stock. Based on your target market and consumer preferences, increase the amount of fish, plants, and supplies in your inventory. To appeal to a wide spectrum of clients, provide a diversified array of species, sizes, and pricing ranges. Promote your enterprise. Create a marketing plan to advertise your company and draw clients. This might entail setting up a website, using social media, placing ads in regional magazines, going to events or trade exhibits, and networking with other fish lovers. To engage and draw in new clients, use instructional materials, workshops, or demonstrations to highlight your knowledge and enthusiasm for fish keeping. Deliver top-notch customer service. To gain the confidence and loyalty of your clients, concentrate on delivering outstanding customer service. Provide seasoned counsel, tailored suggestions, and continuing assistance to clients so they may achieve success in their fish-keeping ventures. Keep an eye on and adjust. Keep an eye on consumer opinions, market trends, and sales figures to spot opportunities for development and adjustment. To stay current, keep up with developments in fish-keeping technology, breeding methods, and industry best practices. And creative. Develop and widen. As your company develops, think about broadening your services, product line, or market penetration to take advantage of fresh possibilities and boost sales. Investigate joint ventures, collaborations, and franchising opportunities to grow your company and attract more clients. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more related content.